Give up your ancestral land for ranching, or you die. You remember Femi Adesina, the spokesperson to Buhari? Yeah, I still remember that. I know that many of you remember that. That was his statement years back. Some people will say, why am I bringing it in today? I'm bringing it today because since that time till date, that has been the problem in Plateau State. Few days ago, three siblings, the same father, the same mother, were died in Plateau. It is now a daily occurrence. You remember my video some time ago where I told you guys that what they are trying to do in Plateau is to install their emirate the way they did in Kwara. That is exactly what they are looking for. And in no distant time, it might happen. Plateau State, this state of Gowan, yeah, is going to happen. But there is a very cheering news. Having said that, I don't know if I'm going to laugh. Don't know if I'm going to be, I don't know, the game Tinubu is planning to play. I don't know, because the choices of the Southeast is going to matter in 2027. Why am I saying this? It's because they've tried everything human to make sure that they get the Southeast, the Igbos, to really rally around Tinubu. Is not working, and it's not gonna work. They've done everything humanly possible. From the city boys, they did all manner of things. The wife went to Abia State to talk rubbish about Akwete and all manner of things. It's not working. I told them, I say, listen, Igbo people is not like your everyday politicians. It's not like everyday people. No. You see how this Obi Kuban and all the rest of them, they will vote against him to come 2027. They don't know them. They will vote against them. But they have a very solid plan they are cooking. If this plan works out for them, it will be very tough for Peter Obi in the Southeast. I know why I'm saying it. I'll say that. I will tell you the plan. Don't worry. Don't be in a rush. Just relax. I will tell you everything. Because the plan is to release Nnamdi Kanu few weeks before election. Igbos will now be in that frame of mind, and they were like, okay, if this man can do this thing for us, I think we should give him chance. That is the last game plan they are having. But few weeks ago, they wanted to transfer Nnamdi Kanu from Sokoto prison to Abuja. He refused. Even in prison, he instructed his lawyers to fight for 3 inmates, 3 of them, and 3 of them were released. It's not hidden, you can check it. The wife said it, it's everywhere. But this one I'm just telling you now the information just came to me about the release of Nnamdi Kanu a few weeks before election. I don't know if it will be December, I don't know if it's going to be January. The information that got to me wasn't really, they didn't give me the particular date, but when I get the date I will let you know. But the plan is legit, and that is their last game they want to play, to be between November, December, just to make sure that Igbos vote for the president. But to me, if it happens, yeah, if it happens, some people will like come to the Igbo people and say, we've released Nnamdi Kanu, you guys need to vote for Tinubu. Don't listen to them. No, don't listen to them. They are people who doesn't know their left from right. You know, the way these people think, sometimes you think maybe they are thinking from their anus. Believe me, the way they behave, I don't know what to call them. Adeleke, EFCC wanted to seal Osun State account so that that man will not have any money to pay salaries, to do all manner of things. What was his crime? Just because he want to contest for second time. They will wake up one morning and just do one thing and you'll be asking yourself, what is wrong? How can somebody forge a letter from the Youth Catholic of Nigeria? How can somebody just do and the people that are posting it online, when I saw the letter yesterday, I laughed. I verified that. I checked everything. I never really wanted to talk about it because there are some things you don't talk about. There are some immature things that my kids cannot do. Like, there are loads and loads of things. If you have conscience, there are some things you will not engage yourself in. That's what they call politics. APC and Tinubu, that's what they call politics. When they tarnish people's image, when they lie, when they bring their propaganda, when they destroy an institution just because you want somebody to be in Abuja, by all means. Exactly what John Onaeko said. That these people want to win election by all means. By all means. Even when people's blood is on the street, it's none of their business. Election is not a do or die affair. Look at what they are concocting to release Nnamdi Kanu, which is to me a very good thing. That's what we are praying for. That's what we are praying for. That's what many of us are fighting for. I want him released by all means. By all means, because Sunday Igbo cannot have freedom and Nnamdi Kanu is in prison. I want him released. And anyhow, he need to be released. But if that is what they are planning to divide P2B's vote, Igbo people will tell you who they are. I just want anybody that is thinking that will not divide P2B's vote. That will not make Igbo people vote APC. It's not going to happen. Because you know why? Nnamdi Kanu is not on the ballot. So releasing him is a very good news, but it's not going to change anything. I don't know why I'm saying it. I said I will not discuss this because that may just, but it's not going to change anything. People are tired. Nigerian people are tired. Very, very tired. Nnamdi Kanu is not on the ballot, so it's not going to change anything. Igbo people is going to vote massively for Peter Obi. If you like, you rig. If you don't like, anyhow, you like him. But the Igbo people I know will deal with you personally. My name is Hyacinth and this is the Hyacinth Network. Thank you for listening to me.